Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on cuss words on Apple Music. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you want to be able to listen to songs with explicit content or curse words, basically I'm going to show you how to turn off the filter that might be basically preventing those from playing. Now you're actually not going to open up Apple Music. You're going to open up your settings on your phone here, and what we're going to do is tap on the screen time here. Now you can see screen time is turned on here, and you can see content and privacy restrictions there. I will tap on that, and then you can see content restrictions, the third option here. I'm going to tap on that, and then at the very top you can see music, podcast, news and fitness, and it's currently set to clean. Now if you want to be able to listen to curse words or explicit content, all you have to do is switch over to explicit here, and then it will allow you to listen to anything like that. So if you want to turn it on or off, basically you can do that in here. You can also just go back and just toggle off this content and privacy restrictions if you don't necessarily want your phone to prevent you from doing any certain things on your phone. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.